Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can switch between a list and a board view inside your projects on GitHub. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project on GitHub, and on default you should see that list view here of your items, so that you may add more items to that list by clicking the plus button here. So let me add item number 2 for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is simply click into that gear icon in the top right and switch between table, list, and board or roadmap. So you can go with board and save it as save to view, for example. And that is going to be your default view now here for that project. So like on these project and task management applications, you see these cards here inside the board, but you can always switch back to table or roadmap here. And that's basically it, guys. You may add also a new view here by clicking into this button and add also a list view here. And now you can switch between these two lists, or the list and the board, excuse me, to navigate through them. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.